Screw gauge is also known as micrometer. It is some instrument that's capable of giving the readings with more precision. Smaller thicknesses, smaller lengths are measured with its help, like diameter of a cylindrical wire or even the thicknesses of the sheet. You see, screw gauge has been drawn over here. We have a complete picture of screw gauge rather. The parts have been specified, stud, it's a fixed part. This is movable. This is moved with the help of thimble. There are two scales, pitch and the circular scale. Pitch scale is also known as main scale. First of all, we take the reading of this pitch scale only, and then there comes to be circular scale. Sometimes this has 100 divisions, but on circular scale, this is circular scale. It will be rotated this way. Frame is also fixed. You have to fix the object, the thickness of which is to be measured within this gap, and with the help of thimble you will rotate. Thimble is used here, it's a cylindrical object, and that is used to move here this movable screw. Ratchet is simply the indicative part of this instrument that gives you the hint by creating a small sound, low sound. When in fact this becomes tight, then it will start producing the sound.